Hi everyone, hope you are doing good today. So today I'm going to tell you something about a new operating system which is for mobile like Android OS. So it's called GrapheneOS. So it's very secure, privacy focused Android OS. So welcome to Byte Explorer. So this is Shashwat Sripar. So let's move. So let's see first what is Graphene OS. So basically, it's a Android version. It's a branch from Android. So basically, the features are a privacy-focused mobile operating system based on Android open source project AOSP, designed for security, privacy, and controlled. Work mainly on Google Pixel devices. So this is basically currently working for Google Pixel, but soon it should be available for other mobile also if you want to install it. So basically, I heard the news that Motorola is doing pact with this operating system to have a secure operating system in all Motorola devices. So why we should use Graphene OS? So regular Android issue tracking bloatware and privacy, as you know, like Android has lot of bloatwares which you cannot uninstall. There are some tracking issue also. The users are being tracked. Both bloatwares are there. There are some privacy concerns also which has arisen recently. The people like you can go for if you have worry for these things, you can go for this operating system based mobiles. So Graphene OS gives you full control to your phone. It does not like it's not in between you and mobile. So basically, it's give you full control on your mobile. So the basic key features which are there are like strong privacy protection, no forced Google services. So you won't have any Google services which are forced and you cannot uninstall or remove it. So you can use this one. Advanced app sandboxing. So basically, you can run apps in sandbox environment. Secure browsing. So browsing is secure. Your activity will not be recorded or shared. So regular security updates. So basically, it's a security-based operating system. So regular security updates are always there. So how it works basically? So it's built on top of Android. So it removes unnecessary tracking components from the operating system itself and add extra security layer on top of that. So applications runs in an isolated environment. So the application cannot interfere with other application and affect other applications. So architecture basically is like core OS layer, secure Android base. So basically, core operating system is Android base, and security layer. So it's hardened kernel, memory protection. App layer is app runs in a sandbox environment. So you can think of like a core is Android, which is like optimized, modified for security, privacy, and those kind of features. And there is a security layer on top of that, which hardens kernel memory protection. So no apps can do badly or behave badly. Then there is an app layer, and all the application runs in a sandbox environment. As you know, sandbox environment is where like an application runs in that environment itself, not on top of the whole mobile operating system. It does not affect other things in your mobile. So, Google App, if we talk about Google App support, so there is no Google App support by default. So, optional sandbox Google services. So, if you want some Google services, you can or application, you can run it in a sandbox Google environment. A sandbox environment. All the services, and a user decides what to install. So, we have all the controls, like what all we can have on the system, what all we can remove. So in Android, we have seen that there are default applications which cannot be touched or removed. So this operating system give you all liberty or independence to decide what you can have, what you can keep, and what you can uninstall or install. So real world use cases, what we can think of is privacy focused users. So if you're concerned about your privacy, you can have this operating system based mobiles. So developer and security researchers. So these people, developer and security researchers, can use this for different purposes. Journalist he can use, as you know, like they have like privacy concern, and their work is related to many things that it should not go out or something. Business users whose data is very important, and to the world, if it is shared outside, it will be very bad for their business and all. So these kind of use cases are there for them. It can be used. Pros, basically, some advantages of this is high security, no tracking of users, activities, and all. Clean system, better control, regular updates, clean environment. Clean environment. You have your control on your own mobile. Some disadvantage also comes along, which are like limited device support, because see, this has started recently, and it's not like widely available. So currently it's supported on pixel devices only. So maybe in future it will be available for different devices as the popularity increases. So learning curve is a bit tougher. There is a learning curve because this is a new operating system. As you know, like when we started using Android, their features we had to learn, we had to research, and we have to learn things to use it. Like way, this is a new operating system, so you have to learn a bit to use it. Different options will be there, and some application may not work fully since it runs in a sandbox environment. So it's not guaranteed that all the application which works on Android will work on this device. So these are some disadvantages along. So Graphene OS versus Android is the here is the some basic comparison. So privacy, Android privacy is medium. Graphene OS privacy feature is high. Security, Android is good versus Graphene OS is very high. Bloatware, Android, yes, there are a lot of bloatwares which comes along which you cannot remove. But in Graphene OS there are no bloatwares. Control, Android, you have limited control on your device and operating system, but in Graphene OS, you have full control on your device, operating system, apps, what you want to run, and all. Okay. So, should you use it? So, use it if you care about your privacy, security, and other tracking things. Avoid if you are reliant heavily on Google ecosystem. So, if you have all the accounts and all everything on Google ecosystem, so you can avoid this because not everything will work on this phone. So conclusion, what we can say, it's powerful alternative to Android, focused on privacy, security, these things, best for advanced user for now at least. Okay, so hope you like this. Just have a look and read about it if you are interested, and if you have some like concern or thing, you can comment. You can give more details on this. Please do like, subscribe, comment on the video, and thanks very much for watching and giving times to for this video. So have a great time ahead. Hope you like the video. So bye bye. Take care.